This guy made $31,000 in a single month just by sending 10 emails a day. This is a brand new method. If you start right now, you can also make great money using only your Gmail account. The process is incredibly easy. Let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser and search for Hostinger. Click on the first official website link. Once the website loads, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. This will open the login page. Click the Sign Up button and choose the Google option to register using your email address. Once you select your email, click Continue. Next, look at the top menu and click on the Refer and Earn option. Go to My Earnings and then click on Add Payment Method. This is where you will set up how you want to receive your money. You can link your bank account, but PayPal is highly recommended for fast and easy transfers. After setting up your payment method, go back to the Refer and Earn page. You will see your unique referral URL. Copy this link and save it safely on your computer. This link is the key to making money. Now for the main strategy. You will need a specific Google Docs file which I have linked in the description of this video. What is inside this document? First, you get a list of 100 business niches that you can easily sell hosting services to. It also highlights the top 20 absolute best niches to target for high profits. For this video, we will target real estate agents. Copy real estate agents from the document, open a new tab and search for it on Google. Click on the More Businesses button to open Google Maps. Your goal here is to target businesses that have less than 200 reviews. For example, a business like Florida One Real Estate has 39 reviews, making them a perfect target. Click on their website. Scroll to the very top or the very bottom of their page to find a Contact or Contact Us button. Click it to find their public email address. Copy that email and save it in your notepad. Next, open the Google Docs file again and go to the second tab. Here you will find a highly effective pre-written prompt. Copy the entire prompt. Now open a new tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click the first link to open it. On the left side of the screen, enable the URL context option. Paste the prompt you just copied from the docs file into the main chat box. Inside this prompt, there are two places highlighted in yellow. Simply delete the yellow text and paste your Hostinger referral link in both spots. Finally, copy the website link of the real estate agent you found earlier and paste it into AI Studio as well. Click the Run button. The AI will now write a highly customized email for you. Here is the secret to why this works so well. We are not going to send a spammy sales pitch. Instead, we are going to send an email acting like a client. This massively increases your chances of getting a reply. Open your Gmail and click Compose. Go back to Google AI Studio, copy the subject line it generated and paste it into your Gmail. Then copy the rest of the email body and paste it in. If the text has weird formatting or black lines, just click the three dots at the bottom of the email window, select Plain Text Mode to clean it up, and type your name at the bottom. In this first email, we act as a customer pointing out a small issue we are facing with their website. Because businesses never want to lose a client, they will almost certainly reply to you. Whenever they reply, go back to Google AI Studio and copy the second email it generated. Send the second email as a reply. This email offers a helpful solution to their website problem and naturally includes your Hostinger referral link. Business owners appreciate constructive feedback from clients, so they take this very seriously. By sending just 10 emails like this per day, you can earn a huge amount of commission on your Hostinger account because businesses prioritize a client-first mentality. To help you work faster, I want to share two great Chrome extensions for workflow management. The first one is called Disable Google Doodles. This extension removes clutter and gives your new tabs a clean, aesthetic, and minimalist look. It removes distractions so you can stay highly focused. It costs about $2, but it has been a fantastic investment for my productivity. The link is in the description if you want to completely upgrade your workspace. The second extension is a premium tool called CopyGoat, which costs just $1 per month. It allows you to completely automate your copy-paste workflow. Here's a quick demo. Open the extensions options and click Add New Snippet. Paste your AI prompt, including your links, into the text box. Set a shortcut word like prompt and click Save. Now, whenever you go to an AI tool like Gemini, ChatGPT, or AI Studio, you simply type a / followed by your shortcut word. As you can see, the tool instantly pastes your entire prompt perfectly. This saves you so much time and makes sending emails incredibly fast and easy. If you want access to the Google Docs file I used today, check the description box below. Look for the link next to the text How to Change WhatsApp DP. Click it and you can download or save the document directly to your computer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.